Ah, hi there. So, what's going on? Well, it's May, and it might snow. So what's going on? I don't know. But we have good food. So the other day I came home from the local big box store with a big box chicken under my arm and a bad case of exhaustion. So I threw some cauliflower in the oven, let that roast up, threw some rice in the rice cooker with some water and let that cook up. And that's pretty good. You know, roasted cauliflower, rice, and a good roast chicken from the local big box store. Doesn't cost too much, it's good food. It's just kind of on the plain side. So I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, oh, boring, boring. And I remembered the Spanish technique where you cook the food first and then you season it. So I thought, oh, let's make a snazzy seasoning sauce. And I did it and it was good, so here we are. Now there is one complicating factor when I did this. I put all my experience to work. And of course it came out great. All those little things that I know to do, they work. So, let's talk about some of those. First, I do a lot with garlic. And there is nothing that highlights technique creating flavor more than onions and garlic. So what was my magic garlic technique? A small knife. A small, very sharp knife, which means a honing rod and a sharpening stone. Yeah, see? Some of that stuff I once upon a time didn't own. So it's a little technique there. The thing about garlic is it has 1,000 different flavors. You can just do the French thing where you smash it and chop it up, and that'll give you a very strong flavor. You can roast it, of course, or you can gently slice it. Small knife. You can cut a clove of garlic like an onion. The thing you got to do, though, is just be careful because it's kind of like brain surgery, you know, making the long slices one way and then flipping it on its side and cutting it the other way and then chopping it. Yeah. So you do it right, you get very mellow garlic dust. Okay, what do you do with that? Well, to make a very tasty lemon sauce to go on top of store-bought chicken, put it in a little bowl with a little olive oil and some salt, and you leave it. Yep, let the chemicals combine. The oil will seep into the olive oil, the oil from the garlic, and you'll have a very nice, very mellow garlic oil. Little salt, little pepper. Oh, surprise. All right, then you add the juice of maybe half a lemon, depending on your taste, maybe a whole lemon. Then you add an emulsifying agent, French-style mustard. So you got garlic, oil, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and mustard. And then you throw in some dried oregano. Yeah, it's a simple little sauce. You just have to keep it straight, I guess. So that's it. A lot of technique, making the garlic taste right. Because I didn't want it to be too harsh. So it's garlic, oil, salt, pepper, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, dried oregano. Mix that all together, put that on top of your rice, you get a nice lemon rice. Put it on top of your chicken, you get a nice Greek-style chicken. So that's it. And yeah, it'll come out different every time you make it. Takes practice, have fun with it, and learn the many flavors of garlic. So that's it. Social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe and all of that good stuff. Thank you. Goodbye.